Can kurbandı canana, bana gel kaçma güzel.
City of Belgium, Brussels, very first place on European Union office headquarters. This is the train, take this. Welcome to the Euro. Croatia means Croatia going to change their currency Euro from January 2023. You can see there. Welcome to the Euro, Croatia. And these are the Parliament, European Union. Nice view in this evening in Brussels.
Alors, je vous rappelle, tous les samedis, 18-22h. Et maintenant, encore 10 minutes d'ambiance, kiffer ensemble. On vous donne du love, c'est ensemble. C'est Mike Contrôleur, Hit de Suite 2022. Let's go!
Jerusalem, Ikayalami, Ilonolose,
Quand je mettais des accords d'essence, je vais me faire la guerre. Par contre, je sais belle. Ça prend ton audio, ça prend ta gadget, ça prend ta CBL. Téléphone bip, que tu prends la guerre. Smart CD. Quand tu parles de moi sur le net, je suis supposant acheter de toi sur le bête. Au fait, on grimpe, on va les zéros sur le check. Hey, hey, 𝗕𝗿𝘂𝘀𝗧𝗏. Hey, hey, à la cabeza. Hey, hey, ratata. Hey, hey, 𝗕𝗿𝘂𝘀𝗧𝗏.
This is totally evening in Brussels, and it's
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading